Oh, hello. Hello, darling. How are you? I'm so happy to have you back here on my channel. And yes, I know why you're here. Today is Monday, February 24th, and it's the day that I announced the winner of my Black History Month giveaway. Before I announce the winner, I just want to thank you all so much for participating. It really did mean so much to me. It meant a lot. And so many people reached out on Instagram to let me know that they participated, and they said such nice things. And you guys made it really, really hard to pick a winner. But like I said, I just want to thank you all for actually participating in this giveaway of mine. And it definitely won't be the last one. So if you don't win this one, don't fret, no sweat, my pet, I'll have another one. So without further ado, the winner of my Black History Month giveaway that will be getting the Juvia's Place makeup bag filled with the Juvia's Place makeup is none other than Makeup Misha. No, it's not her. I'm lying. It's not her. She's not winning this. No, the real winner of the giveaway is Lover of Makeup 73. That is her YouTube name. Also on Instagram, you are K Lovely Lady 73. You won the giveaway, girl. Congratulations. Thank you so much for participating. Like I said, I want to thank everyone for participating. So yes, girl, I am packing up your stuff as we speak. So go ahead and reach out to me, send me a little DM on Instagram or something, and let me know your address and all of that. And as soon as you do, I'm gonna get this stuff in the mail to you this week is my goal. But yes, reach out to me and let me know your information. I will get this in the mail to you as soon as possible. Once again, thank you all so much for being a part of this. And one of my goals this year is to really ramp up my YouTube channel. I really want to, give it a little more TLC and start posting more. So I'm going to ask one more thing of you guys. Let me know in the comments below what kind of things you would like to see me make videos about. Is it product reviews? Do you want to see vlogs? Just let me know, and I will definitely start doing those things. Like I said, I want to start posting more, and so just let me know what you want to see from me here on YouTube, and I will definitely start posting those videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great night, and I'll see you later. Mwah. Bye.